Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by powering on and signing into your Apple ID so settings and backups sync. Once done, enable iCloud and Find My iPhone to protect data. This also restores purchases. Learn essential gestures now. Swipe up for home, swipe down for control center, tap to open, long press for contextual menus. Practice these in settings and home screen to build muscle memory. These steps let you move quickly through the rest of setup and avoid repeating basic configuration later. Now you'll organize apps and control what interrupts you so the phone works for your day. First, drag icons into folders or rely on App Library to auto-sort. This keeps critical apps within reach. Then open Settings notifications to prioritize alerts, enable grouping, and silence lower priority apps. Next, review privacy settings, limit location access, check microphone and photo permissions, and disable background app refresh for battery savings. These detailed steps balance convenience with control. Finish by making your iPhone reliable and effortless. Enable iCloud backup and photos so your data is saved automatically, and confirm backups completed. Then create shortcuts automations for routines like Do Not Disturb at bedtime or smart home scenes. This saves steps every day. Make sure low power mode and storage settings are tuned to your usage. If something goes wrong, restart the phone first, check available storage, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. That resolves most sync and activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.